In this brief tutorial, I'll explain how to insert equations in a Word document. Word includes equations that you can drop into your documents. No formatting required. If the built-in equations don't meet your needs, then you can modify them, or you can build your own sophisticated equations from scratch. So here's how it works. Suppose I'm typing here my document. Now what you can do is you can click here under Insert, and then go under Equation. You click on the drop down here, and then you can use one of those equations that already exist in here, and then customize them as you feel like. That's one way of doing this. Or if I want to delete it, I'm pressing backspace here, and I go back to Insert Equation, I can go and insert one manually. So notice here there is an option for Insert New Equation. By the way, there are also other ones that you can download from office.com and just customize them as you want them. Now here, if I want to insert a new equation, and I'm going to do a very simple one here, click on Insert New Equation, and then simply start typing. So 2, and then notice you have these tools here on the very top. This is for basic math. So now I'm going to use the asterisk here for the multiplication, and then type whatever your formula is going to be. Then hit enter, and there is your equation. Now another cool tool that you can use, you can go here under Insert and then choose Equation, and then you can actually take this ink equation where you can actually draw with a mouse on the screen, or if you have a touch screen, you can use your finger here, and you can basically write your formula just like that. And then if you're happy with it, so notice how it's going to convert it here. You click on Insert, and there is your new equation. So we covered how to insert one of the templates that Office has, to create one from scratch, and also to convert one from writing with a mouse or with your finger on the screen and converting into a formula. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set the default font to Aptos in Microsoft Word. So we open Word, and notice that by default here the font is Calibri. Now we want to set it to Aptos so that any new documents that we open from now on will be in the new font. There are a couple ways to set it. The easiest would be to go into the font area here in the font grouping, click on this expand arrow, and then locate the Aptos font, and then select Set as Default. Change it to all documents based on the normal template. And now, and anytime we go to create new documents, notice that Aptos is the default font.